Yes, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. This is Learn All Tutorial Center. Today I'll be showing you on how you can uninstall a program from your computer. First of all, we need to go right here. So this is our start menu button. In Windows 7 it is called a start menu button. But we can go to where there is search, where there is a search icon right here. So when we go where there is this search icon, then we can write in control panel. So when we write in control panel, then we click on control panel and another display which looks like this will come, or we shall view a display which looks like this. Without wasting some of our time, let us go to uninstall program. You don't click on programs, but you click on uninstall a program. So when you click on uninstall a program, you look for the program which you want to uninstall. So today we shall be uninstalling a certain program which is right here. We shall be let us try to uninstall OBS Studio. So when you click on OBS Studio, then you go to uninstall. After going to uninstall, an interface which looks like this will come. Then you can uninstall your OBS Studio from here right away. So this is the process how you can uninstall a program from your computer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Consider subscribing for more videos like this.